Hello everybody, welcome back. As you can see, we have another Japanese flag. I have two other Japanese flags, one more that will be displayed in an upcoming video, and another one I have to wait. But there's nothing significant about this flag. It says congratulations off to war on the top right. Not exactly sure where. I don't have this printed off. It's a Manufacturing Trade School Shooter Warrior Club. It refers to a patriotic club within the school. There's no recipient name. It's signed by 162 people who are instructors and fellow students at the trade school in that city with that prefecture. The trade school is for boys who didn't have the grades to get into public school or the money for a private school. Back then, the education system was compulsory and free only until the end of middle school. After that, you had to pay your own way through, which is why not everybody is able to read these flags. Trade schools were generally for young men aged 15 to 20. It is possible that this young man left school to volunteer or was not a student but a teacher or a staff member who was drafted. The draft age was 20, but one could volunteer as early as 15 with the parents' permission. There's no military units, ranks, or other information, but it's a nice, busy flag. Nothing significant about it. I liked how busy it was, which is why I picked it up. There's not a whole lot to say about this flag. As you can see, a little bit of ink coming over. Again, not common to write on the red, but still pretty busy flag. The bigger content interests me. I thought maybe there was a saying to it. There wasn't. A lot of these are just people's names. More of a shorter video, shorter flag, but just not a lot going on as much as I thought when I bought it. Where it says congratulations off to war would actually be this bigger kanji up here. Again, very simple flag, but very busy flag. Hope you all enjoyed.